Hi guys, ignore the no makeup face. I'm about to do a hair tutorial on my hair. I'm going to try to do straw curls. Yeah, so let's see how this goes.
Mellow strings, strings, strings. With every note you play, my heart wants to stay with you all night. When you play strings, no strings attached. I wanna be with you, oh that's a fact. Strings, no strings attached. I wanna be with you when you play. Isn't me you're thinking of? 'Cause I'm feeling you.
Hi guys, I'm going to try and show you one in the back, and this one we already put in the African Pride Shea Butter Miracle Silky Hair Moisturizer. Here I'll insert a picture, and we put some gel, some protein gel, and then comb through, and then now we're going to put in a straw. So first we wrap it around the end. Wrap the air end around the end of the straw, and then we roll up. Or lower down, I should say. Just continue rolling till you reach the roots of the ear. And then just bend it in half, bend the straw in half. If I can feel for you, and just put in half. Then take a bobby pin, a close bobby pin, and then insert it into the end of the straw. And that's it, right there. Okay, so when I finish both sides of the back, I'll come back and back.
Strings, no strings attached.
Yeah.
What you wanna do?
Really? So that's section off of my section, and I'm going to section the same half there. So it's already moisturized again, so I'm going to put some gel now. Just put it on the hair and smooth it out. Do a small comb through. Now go to the straw. I'm going to move on. Bend it, and then get your elastic band or your bobby pin. I'm using elastic bands now for some of them, and then put it on
strings attached. I wanna be with you when you play. Is it me you're thinking of? 'Cause I'm feeling you. Is it me you really want? 'Cause I need you when you play. When you play. Pace, shallow,
Hi guys, this is the end result. Makasya ng edit.
I want
See how it turns out. If it turns